Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese egg. First, gather your ingredients: 2 or 3 large eggs, a 1/4 cup of shredded cheese, 1 tablespoon of butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Next, place a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and melt the butter. While the butter melts, gently whisk your eggs in a small bowl with the salt and pepper until just combined. Now, pour the whisked eggs into your warm, buttered pan. Let them sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the edges to set slightly. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center of the pan. Tilt the pan to let the uncooked egg flow underneath, creating soft curds. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Quick recommendation: reading recipes on the new Kindle Paperwhite can make your cooking adventures even easier. It's lightweight and perfect for any kitchen. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the eggs are mostly set, but still a little moist on top, sprinkle your favorite shredded cheese evenly over them. Continue to gently fold and cook for another 30 to 60 seconds, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and the eggs are cooked to your desired consistency. Serve your delicious cheese, eggs immediately on toast or with your favorite breakfast sides. For the best results, always use fresh, high-quality eggs. Remember, the key to fluffy cheese eggs is not to overcook them. They should remain soft and moist, never dry. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of cheese, like cheddar, Monterey Jack, or even a blend, and various seasonings to truly make this dish your own.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.